Another very good evening to all of my viewers. This is a pre-Diwali video recording to discuss about the market movements. We are getting new highs every day, not only in case of index but also in case of stocks. The stocks I have discussed earlier in my early shows in the time of pandemic, all the stocks have rallied very well and given you a splendid return, no doubt in that. But now I find the things are little bit expensive as of I see, because a chunk of liquidity from all the countries, from all the central banks of the globe has been introduced. US election is over. As expected, as I have said also, Donald Trump is going to be defeated, no other way. So a new era going to begin may have seen a cool down of US China trade war, which was the main affected the entire business circle, along with the lower crude oil price. If China survives a little bit more, then crude oil will get the support, and finally the liquidity will start coming in from the crude oil price, but will not go high above 50 to $60, as of Abu Dhabi said. The Brent crude oil is range will be trading range around 50 to $60 coming 2 to 3 years. So if we see substantial upside in crude oil price, one side we will find the liquidity coming in, other side the rapid rate and repo rate cut may have easing and will start little bit rate hike latter part of 2021 and 2022, beginning of 2022 and latter of 2021. So as of now there is nothing to be anxious to get into the market, rather sitting on the sideline. And this is my personal view. You may have different issues you can get into, and you should take a expert opinion whom you believe for the best. And if you want to ask me about the theme going ahead to keep in mind for trading and investment purpose, I would like to prefer first agricultural theme, means it includes all the equipments required to the fertilizers, greenhouse, all these, all, and motor and pumping, deep irrigation, all this will be a concept for the coming days because of the population burst and the requirements of food grains and other vegetables and all. And the next one is you may have followed, I think you should have followed that new age companies are coming in rapidly. They are getting into the market share of the existing big players. So it's better to be a little cautious, not to make in hurry, to buy a good pedigree which we believe earlier. Definitely they will have a preferential bet, but not in terms of return. I think you can take InfoEdge as a example, who are doing with Naukri.com and Zomato and all. So online big theme. For that case, you can take the telecom. Which one will be preferable for you? It's up to you. I am not supposed to discuss any telecom company because I am little bit confused. But stay away from thermal power, which is contaminating, which is polluting, because firecrackers has been banned or going to be banned all over the country. So pollution going to be the very big caution going ahead. Stay out of that. Oil companies should not be looked in, and coal, coal India may be high dividend yield company, but please stay away. Rather take RCF, chemical fertilizer, is a good one. And I think the Nifty will make another high above the earlier high, just above the earlier high, not very much. Thereafter, correction is very much expected, and it will take some time, I think. So it's better to wait, staying on the sideline, having patience. So thank you very much for this good evening and discussion, and we will be meeting on Diwali Eve with some extraordinary concept and all. Hope you have enjoyed and getting new feeds. Thank you very much, friends. Good night.